my name is James Thorpe. I'm the editor of International Security Journal. I'm delighted to be here at the Idemia Public Security stand here at Intersec 2025 in Dubai, speaking with Alok Tiwari, Global Head of Sales for the Smart Biometrics Division. It's great to be speaking to you today here at Intersec 2025. Can you tell us a little bit more about what Idemia Public Security is showcasing, please?
Thanks, Jim. So at Idemia Public Security, we are bringing the experience of 50 years in biometric industry. We are also bringing in our cutting-edge technologies, which we are showcasing here today, both in the physical channel as well as the logical access channel. We are using this platform today to launch our Vision Pass SP with finger scan. So this device can be used for a dual authentication, and it will give flexibility to the customers to use either of the modalities, and this is quite in range and much in demand in the region. So the customer will have a flexibility to use any of the biometric modalities, and gives a lot of access and ease of use, so to say.
Fantastic, and in line with that as well, how are you driving innovation in the biometric access space, and what additional value is this bringing to the industry?
So we have been at the forefront of driving innovations, and what we do is we bring our cutting-edge technologies and our advanced security solutions to match the requirements of the industry in terms of security and safety. AI-based algorithms along with machine learning, which are government grade today, bring in a lot of seamless journey of a client in terms of right from capture to authentication. Everything can be done. We have contactless devices, which is much in demand because of hygiene and convenience. So they bring in contactless journey, and which is seamless and which is very user friendly. So net, basically we have 50 years of experience, as I told you. We manage some 5 billion biometric records, and given our capability of manufacturing, this is what makes us the preferred partner with our customers.
Fantastic. And when it comes to the integration of logical access management and physical access management, what are you doing for partners in terms of driving and meeting the needs of security and convenience for enterprises specifically?
Great question. In fact, today when you talk about access control, most of the perception what people have is towards the physical access. But it's not only the physical access, you also need to secure the digital assets at the same time. And that's what we use as a thumb rule in terms of saying that how can our enterprise customer secure their most valuable assets, both for physical as well as for logical. Just imagine a scenario of a bank. Today, most of the frauds, or probably if I go by the arithmetic of it, 30% of the frauds which happen in the banking industry is perpetrated by the internal employees. So how do you authenticate that the person who is got in the premise is the rightful owner of logging into any of the critical systems? Now, in a banking industry, there can be core banking, which is a critical system. It has the database of all the customers, and you will definitely want to authenticate the rightful owner of that system to log in, rather than getting into the hands of a person who is not supposed to use it. So what we do is we bring the physical and digital together to give an experience of a unified access, what we call today.
There's something you mentioned a moment ago. Can you just tell us a little bit more about the added value you're bringing to the industry, please?
Yeah, so the biggest value which we add on the table is the AI algorithms which we have, which has been rated as the top by NIST on a regular basis in almost all the modalities which we have in terms of face, fingerprint and iris. Today, if I talk about the ratings, we are number one in biometric algorithms. We are number one in terms of fairness. We are number one in terms of fingerprint templates. So net, if you talk about what value we bring in end-to-end solution for the customers. We bring in a lot of global expertise through our experience in different markets. And we are constantly innovating for different modalities and in biometrics. So I think we have a composite solution which a customer can take, and right from enrollment to data managing to authentication, we provide an end-to-end solution.
Fantastic. And one of the final points I want to touch on is to do with R&D and ensuring that your solutions remain at the forefront of the market. Can you give us some insight into how you achieve those focuses and what you particularly focus on in the R&D aspect?
Again, a great question. So we are in technology industry and that too biometric industry, which can be very demanding and very dynamic at the same time. So R&D plays a very crucial role in driving innovation, in creating competitive advantage, and ensuring that we are built for the future. Today, the kind of industries what we cater to, be it governments, be it military, be it banking, or even any critical setup, like for example airports, police stations, and the likes of it. The expectation is that we are hands-on as far as our state-of-the-art technology is concerned. And that's where R&D plays a key role in terms of defining how we are built for the future, how we manufacture value-added products, which also complies to the regulations and are capable of taking care of any future requirements.
Fantastic. Absolute pleasure to speak with you, and wishing you all the best for 2025.
Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting.
Cheers.